Friends, welcome back. I hope you are preparing well for prelims 2018. Today I am going to discuss about the current affairs up to November 2nd week. Okay, let's start. The first one, this state government has announced lifetime monthly pension for Shatyagrahis and the state is Haryana. Guys, Haryana has not only started lifetime monthly pensions for Hindi Shatyagrahis but also it has started monthly pensions for those who were jailed during emergency period of 1975 and those who were veterans of the Second World War. Guys, one more information. This state has celebrated its golden jubilee on November 1st. Guys, you know about the establishment year of Haryana was 1966. Okay, next, India on 30 October 2017 signed 6 pacts on energy, railway, trade and mutual investment with this nation, and the country's name is Italy. Number 3, the Indian Air Force would be participating in a 2-week long exercise Blue Flag 17 with this nation, and it is Israel. Guys, Blue Flag 17 is a Israeli defense forces operation. It is a kind of operation, and India has participated in it for the first time. This Blue Flag 17 is operated by Israeli defense air defense forces with 9 other countries. India is now one of them. Okay, next one, this Indian state hosted the India-US Ocean Dialogue. Okay, guys, this state's name is Goa, but what is the Ocean Dialogue? Guys, this Ocean Dialogue is celebrated between two nations for the sustainable development of blue economy. You know what is the blue economy? It's about trade in oceans. Okay, and cooperation in sustainable maritime resource development, fisheries governance, maritime pollution, maritime law enforcement and scientific research also. Guys, one more information I want to give you here. By seeing Goa, I can remember the Indian National Institute of Oceanography is in Goa. Okay, next one, this Indian bowler has topped the latest ICC T20 rankings. You know, guys, all about him. This is Jasprit Bumrah. Okay, next one, India signed USD 200 million loan agreement with World Bank for Assam agribusiness and rural transformation project. Guys, World Bank, you know, World Bank consists of 5 other banks. IBRD, you know, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, this was set up in 1945. IDA, International Development Agency, this was set up in 1960. IFC, International Finance Corporation, and it was set up probably 1956. And number 4, MIGA, I mean Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, and it was set up in 1988. And ICSID, that is International Center for Settlement of Investment Disputes, and it was set up in 1966. Okay, but India is not the member of ICSID. Okay, International Center for Settlement of Investment Dispute, and the other 2 banks of the that is included in the World Bank. India is partner of them. Okay, guys, next one. Person who took charge as a new vice chief of naval staff, and he is Ajit Kumar P. Okay, next one, theme of the World Cities Day. Guys, it was innovative governance and open cities. You know, World Cities Day is celebrated on 31st October. Okay, next one, person appointed as the private secretary to President Ramnath Kovind. Guys, his name is Vikram Singh. Okay, next one, this country announced to allow women in sports stadium from 2018. Saudi Arabia, guys, this is a very hot news. You guys all know about it. Actor who won the 2017 Pramod Mahajan Smriti Award, this is Anupam Kher. Guys, this Pramod Mahajan Smriti Award is given on the field of entertainment. Okay, Next one, the world's highest motorable road has been built in this nation. It is our India. Okay, this has been built by Border Road Organization. Okay, Border Road Organization has built world's highest motorable road in Ladakh. It will be higher than Khardungla. What was the height of Khardungla? It was 19,300 feet, and now it is now world's highest motorable pass is in Umlingla. Okay, and it is now the highest one. Okay, and this has been built under the project, and the name of the project is Himank. Okay, next one, this Indian shuttler has achieved his career best world #2 ranking. It is Kidambi Srikanth. You guys all know about him. He's a amazing athlete. This country hosted 21st World Congress of Mental Health. It is our India. Next one, this state was ranked as the best performing state in education for women in Gender Vulnerability Index 2017. This is Himachal Pradesh. Next one, guys, who is at the bottom of this index, Gender Vulnerability Index in education of women, this is Bihar. Next one, person confirmed as the US ambassador to India by US Senate. She is Kenneth Juster. The term fake news was named word of the day 2017 by the Collins Dictionary. Next one, this state will build world's tallest Shivaji statue. You guys know, but here you can gaze here by listening the term Shivaji. This state's name is Maharashtra, and it will be 210-meter height. The joint training exercise Prabal Dastak 2017 began India and Kazakhstan. You guys know about it. Next one, person selected for Kerala's top literary award, Ejuthakan Puroskaram 2017. Guys, here he is K. Satchidanandan. Okay, this is not important. Next one, pension regulator PFRDA increased maximum age of joining national pension scheme private sector to 65 years. Guys, the age was increased to 65 years. Sorry, age is increased to 65 years. This state has banned sea fishing for duration of 7 months to protect endangered sea turtles, and the state's name is Odisha. Next one, Union government has approved a trade agreement for strengthening and promoting trade and economic cooperation between India and this nation, and the nation's name is Ethiopia. Next one, the state has increased backward classes creamy layer selling. This is Telangana. Guys, before it was 6 lakhs, and now it was increased to 8 lakhs, and central government has increased it on August 23, 2017. Okay, next one, this state has topped the gender vulnerability index that ranks states on the basis of situation of girls and women. Guys, this is Goa. Okay, next one, person appointed as the Karnataka's first woman director general and inspector general of police, she is Nilmani N. Raju. Next one, India's rank in World Bank Doing Business report, it is 100th. These states celebrated their foundation day on 1st November 2017. Guys, these states are Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Chhattisgarh and Karnataka. Next one, this celebrity is the top earning dead celebrity as per a report published by Forbes. This celebrity's name is Michael Jackson. Next one, person appointed as India's new High Commissioner to Pakistan, he is Ajay Bisaria. Guys, earlier it was Gautam Bambewala. Okay, and next one, TV Narendran was recently appointed as Global Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Tata Steel. Okay, next one, this Indian cricketer became the 6th Indian and fastest to complete 9,000 ODI runs during India's third and final one-day international against New Zealand. You guys all know about him. It is Virat Kohli. India began an intensive anti-submarine warfare exercise with this nation, and the nation's name is Japan. Next one, India has sent its first shipment of wheat to this nation through Iran's Chawar port. You guys all know about this Chawar port. This is very strategically very important position for India. Okay, so India has shipped wheat through this Iran's Chawar port for the first time in Afghanistan. Guys, this Chawar port is strategically very important to India, because if India can keep it as its own, then he can business with the Central Asian nations easily. Okay, next one, this Indian shuttler won the men's singles title of French Open Super Series badminton in Paris on 29th October 2017. Guys, this is Kidambi Srikanth. Next one, Andhra Pradesh government is planning to convert this aircraft carrier of Indian Navy into a museum. This is INS Virat. Guys, now at present we have two aircraft carrier, and it is INS Vikramaditya. This is a Kiev class aircraft carrier, and next year, I mean in 2018, INS Vikramaditya is expected to enter into service. Okay, and from next year we will get most possibly 3 aircraft carrier, 2 from INS Vikramaditya and 1 from INS Vikrant. Okay, next one, the Sultan of Johor Kav is associated with this sport. You guys all know about it. This is hockey. Sultan of Johor Kav has been owned by Australia in 2017. Great Britain was the runner-up, and our India was at the 3rd position. Okay, next one, Punathil Kunjavdullah, the renowned Malayalam writer who passed away, was hailed from Kerala. Okay, this is not important. Next one, India and Sri Lanka recently signed 2 memoranda of understandings to build 12,000 houses in Hambantota. Guys, you know Hambantota is a port city of Sri Lanka. This is located at the southern part of Sri Lanka. This port city has been bought by China, okay, to capture the Indian Ocean, that is, called the Pearl of Indian Ocean. Okay, so this one is very strategically important for India if it wants to keep its position strong in Indian Ocean. Okay, guys, India is trying to friendly set up its relation with Sri Lanka. Okay, because we have to take our position in Hambantota port. This is a strategically very important position. Next one, person awarded with the 2017 Hridaynath Mangeshkar Award. It is Javed Akhtar. Guys, one more information here I want to give you here. Dinanath Mangeshkar Award. Okay, it was awarded to Amir Khan for the Dangal movie. Okay, and Hridaynath Mangeshkar Award has been given to Javed Akhtar. You guys know about him, Javed Akhtar. Person appointed as a Chief Secretary of Arunachal Pradesh is Satta Gopal. Next one, world's first hybrid electric tram powered by hydrogen fuel cells was launched in China. Next one, person appointed as the High Commissioner of India to Zambia, and he is N.J. Gangte. This country will host United Nations Global Wildlife Conference in 2020. It is India. Next one, committee appointed to investigate into the death. Okay, sorry guys. Committee appointed to investigate into the death of former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha, and the committee's name is this is very important, guys. The committee's name is A. Arumugashwamy Committee. You have to remember it, guys. Next one, this day is observed as the Rashtriya Ekta Divas. You guys know about this day, 31st October And 31st October is also celebrated as the birth anniversary of the of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was given Bharat Ratna in 1991 posthumously. Okay, remember it, guys. Next one. This state's tourism department announced Majuli sustainable tourism development project to encourage carbon-free tourism experience. Guys, you can gaze here. Majuli is located in Assam. Next, the Indian Oman cricketer topped the ICC ODI rankings for bats Oman, released on 30 October 2017. Guys, he is Mithali Raj, who has been compared with Virat Kohli. Next one. This judge headed the bench of Supreme Court that questioned the state governments on why there were no separate schools for children suffering from autism, and this bench was headed by Deepak Mishra. Guys, what is autism? Autism is a neurodevelopmental disorder, okay, characterized by impaired social interaction, impaired verbal and non-verbal communication, and restricted behavior. Okay. Parents usually notice it in the first 2 years of their child's life. Okay, autism is very bad. Okay, next one. Union Minister for State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ram Das Athwale launched this Yojana in Mumbai. This is Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Pariyojana. Guys, next one. According to new report by the World Health Organization, this country topped the list of 7 countries that have reported most number of TB cases. Guys, unfortunately, this is our India, and it was in 2016. Next one. India signed agreements to enhance bilateral cooperation in various sectors, including renewable energy, and infrastructure, transport and trade on 30 October 2017 with this nation. Guys, the country's name is Tunisia, and you know the capital of Tunisia is in Tunis, Tunis. Okay, next one. India first fully indigenously developed bomb is called SAW, SAAW. Indigenously means built by ourselves, built in India. Okay, next one. This renowned Hindi writer has been chosen for the Gyanpith Award. You have to remember it. Very, very important. This is Krishna Sapti. Next, India's first ever conservation reserve for black buck will come up in this city. It is Allahabad. Next one, guys. Union government's Pan-India scholarship program Din Dayal Sparsha Yojana has been launched to promote philately. Okay, guys, what is philately? Philately is the collection and study of postage stamp. Okay, next one. He has been crowned National Chess Championship 2017. Guys, his name is Lalit Babu. Next one. Niti Aayog has released proposal to develop electric vehicle charging infrastructure in this city, and the name of the city is New Delhi. Next one. This country would be hosting the 31st ASEAN Summit, and it is Philippines. Guys, you know the there are 10 countries who are the members of ASEAN. They are Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam. Okay, and ASEAN was founded in 1967. Guys, you remember it, please. Next one. This Indian state has instituted the Rashtriya Kabir Samman. This state's name is Madhya Pradesh. Okay, next one. Union Cabinet has approved memoranda of understanding on agriculture and related fields between India and this nation. Okay, the nation's name is Philippines. Next one. Union Cabinet has approved a joint interpretative declaration between India and this nation. This nation's name is Colombia. Okay, guys, what is joint interpretative declaration? Joint interpretative declaration play important role in strengthening investment treaty regime. Okay, so India has signed this joint interpretative declaration with Colombia for developing our investment purposes. Okay, guys, what is about the FDI, foreign direct investment? Okay, next one. He would be heading the newly appointed second National Judicial Pay Commission. His name is P. Venkatarama Reddy. Next one. The Union Cabinet has approved creation of this organization to conduct entrance examination for higher education in educational institutions, and organization's name is National Testing Agency. Next one. The second edition of India International Cherry Blossom Festival began in Meghalaya. Guys, what is Cherry Blossom Festival? This festival is celebrated this is used to celebrated the spring season, okay, and this year it is celebrated in Meghalaya. Okay, next one. This country will host the Organic World Congress. It is India. Next one. This nation has launched a Earth observation satellite. This is Morocco. Guys, you all know Morocco is a African country. Next one. She has won women's singles event at the 82nd Senior National Championship. She is Saina Nehwal, and from men it is H.S. Pranoy. Okay. Next one. The social media giant has brought disaster response tools to India. Guys, it is Facebook. Facebook has brought disaster response tool. Next one. This Indian has been honored with the Entrepreneur of the Year award 2017. Guys, this is Maya Swaminathan Sinha. She is an IAS officer. Okay, she was the commissioner of Khadi Gram Udyog Yojana. Okay, next one is this state is hosting 20th International Children's Film Festival, and the state is Telangana. Next one. This social media platform has increased its character limit from 140 to 280. Okay, guys, you remember it, please. This is Twitter. India ended its stunt at the Commonwealth Shooting Championship with this many medals. It is 20. Next one. The European Union has launched an election observation mission for this country's pool. Guys, it is Nepal. Nepal is going to conduct its election next year. This country ratified International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement in November 2017. Guys, this is Guinea. Okay, and guys, the capital of Guinea is Conakry. Okay, Conakry. Next one. India signed USD 119 million loan agreement with World Bank for Odisha's higher education program for excellence and equity project. Next one. Okay, winner of gold medal at the 2017 Asian Women Boxing Championship is MC Mary Kom. You guys know about her. States directed by NGT. NGT means National Green Tribunal to undertake preventive measures for dealing with alarming air pollution level. These states are Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. Next. Person appointed as Special Secretary in Union Commerce Ministry. He is Binoy Kumar. Okay. Next, the 23rd Annual Conference of the Parties, COP. This is very, very important. Was held in this country. It is Germany. He has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary, and he is Hashmukh Adhia. You know, guys, about him. Okay. Next one. He has been honored with the 2017 Vishnu Das Bhave Award. Mohan Joshi. Guys, Vishnu Das Bhave Award is conferred in the field of theatre. Okay. Next one. Union government launched Deen Dayal Sparsh Yojana to benefit school children. Next one. Rank obtained by India in the Paradise Papers released by International Consortium of Investigative Journalists. 19th. Our rank is 19. Guys, you have to remember here the name of the journalists organization is International Consortium of Investigative Journalists. Okay, and this organization has released Paradise Papers. You should remember it. India began joint military combat exercise with Bangladesh, and the exercise name is Sampriti. Okay, next one. This city won the Best City Bus Service Award of the Government of India, and the city's name is Surat. Next one. This Indian temple won the UNESCO Asia Pacific Award of Merit 2017, and it is Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple. Guys, it is located in not Tirupati, it is located in Tiruchirappalli, okay, Tamil Nadu, and this temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Next one, World Tsunami Awareness Day is observed on 5th November. Okay guys, Tsunami Awareness Day is being celebrated from 2015, okay, and this year its theme was reduce the number of affected people. Okay, next one, the Indian women's hockey team has won the Hockey Asia Cup this many times. It is two, including this year our Indian women's hockey team has won the Hockey Asia Cup, and including this year they have won 2 times Hockey Asia Cup. Next, Indian Disaster Response Summit was inaugurated in New Delhi. Next, India has been re-elected as the member of UN's body's executive board. It is UNESCO. Next one, this state has passed a bill on prevention of dangerous activities. It is Telangana. Next one, the union government would be providing full scholarship to 100 foreign students to study this course, and it is Ayush. Next one, the union government has doubled import duty on this food grain to curb cheap shipments. It is wheat. Next one, you should remember it guys, committee constituted by union government to continuously monitor the solutions to air pollution. It is C.K. Mishra committee. Next one, UNESCO included this city as part of its Creative Cities network for its rich musical tradition, and guys, this city is Chennai. Okay guys, this is the end of today's Kind Affairs. Thank you for watching friends. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.